be using for this is egg white, and here I have a full egg that comes with the yolk and the egg white in it. I'll have to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, and this is really easy to do. Just going to crack the egg and pour it into one side. And I have my egg white. Egg white is really good on the skin when it comes to tightening pores. It helps to tighten the skin and get rid of fine lines. Egg white helps to boost collagen production and helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. This is going to give your skin that tightening effect, which is what you need in order to get rid of flat lines or sagging skin or fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes or forehead.
We rely heavily on your support to continue creating content like this, as this channel doesn't have any display ad on it. Please support us by using the super thanks button. Send any amount that you are comfortable with, and this will go a long way in helping us create better content for you.
The next ingredient I'll be using is honey, and honey is a natural humectant that helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to boost collagen production and help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. Honey also helps to unclog pores, get rid of dirt and grime on the skin. It also helps to smoothen the skin and helps brighten the skin when used over time. For the honey, I'm going to get a bowl, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of honey for this remedy. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is coffee. Coffee here helps to naturally exfoliate the skin. It helps to brighten the skin, and it also helps to boost collagen production and skin's elasticity. Coffee helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, helps smoothen the skin, and also helps to plump the skin. Coffee is a natural exfoliant which helps to get rid of sunspots, dark areas on the skin, and also helps to get rid of dark patches on the skin. For the coffee, I'll be needing just a little bit of it. So I'm going to take out a little coffee at the tip of my teaspoon. This is what we'll be using for this remedy, and I'll pour that into my bowl. After adding the coffee and honey, I'm going to bring back my egg white, and for the egg white I won't be using everything, so I'm going to use just 2 teaspoons of egg white in this. After adding the egg white, I'll just go ahead and stir. I'm just stirring this slowly because I don't want it to become fluffy. So you need to take time and stir this up so that you can fully incorporate the coffee and the honey into the egg white. Another ingredient you can add to this is your lemon juice, just to get that brightening, extra brightening effect on your skin. Lemon here contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten up the skin. It also has this mild skin brightening properties, which helps to get rid of darkness and dark areas on the skin. It also helps to exfoliate the skin and get rid of clogged pores on the skin. So lemon here is another ingredient that you can add to get extra benefit for your facial marks. For the lemon juice, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon to this. Then I'll go ahead and continue stirring this up. Now this is what we have here. I'll go ahead and show you how to make use of this. I'm going to be using a brush. I'm using a flat brush for this. This is just a makeup brush that I use for my DIYs. But if you don't have a brush like this, you can make use of your fingertips. So I'm just going to dip this into the treatment, and then before applying this, ensure that your face is free of any makeup or skincare product. Apply it on a clean face like this. And don't forget to apply it under your chin. Okay, and then concentrate on the areas where you have the laugh lines like this. So you concentrate on these areas, and then these, you're not just going to apply these marks on your laugh lines, because this marks is good for all your face. So apply it on your forehead as well, and then around your eyes. It's going to help tighten out those areas. If you have those eye wrinkles here, this mask is also going to help tighten it up. So just go ahead and apply it everywhere and under your chin. In case you're wondering what this mask smells like, it smells just like coffee, and smell is really nice, really nice. So after applying this all over, you are going to have to wait for this to dry up completely. So in the process of drying up, this is going to tighten up your face, and then just wait for about 30 minutes or more. Let it sink into your skin and tighten your pores, tighten your face, and help boost that elasticity on your skin, help boost the collagen production, which is going to help firm up your skin and in turn help get rid of laugh lines and wrinkles on the face. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and wait for this to dry, after which I'll go ahead and wash it off with water. So when washing this, you can use any water of your choice, lukewarm water or cold water. Wash it off and then massage your face thoroughly. Ensure you are always rubbing your face like this, not like this, because it's going to, if you rub your face this way, it will make your face saggy. So always push it upward to help firm up your skin even more. So that was it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please do share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you've not done so already, and also don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. Open up the description box. I have some good stuff you would like to check out as well, and I'm going to see you in my next awesome video. Bye.